Gonna go from this to this. It's not the most perfect job, but it still looks good. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys here. There's really nothing to it. Right here. So let's go ahead and take it out of this wrap and show you guys what it looks like. Very nice. Look at that. It's gonna match this color very nicely. And there's gonna be more carbon fiber pieces to come, so keep an eye out, you guys. But this shit's expensive, so it's gonna take time. It also came with these alcohol pads, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the trim that I'm gonna go ahead and put it onto, and use these as well before I actually apply this. I'm gonna show you guys the procedure to installing this and how to get it done. So let's go ahead and grab these alcohol pads, clean off the trim, and then put this on. All right, you guys, the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and clean this off. As you guys can see, it's pretty dirty. Got a lot of pollen on it and just dirt. So I'm gonna lightly scrub this piece. I'm not too worried about this piece anyways. It's getting covered and it's already scratched up because when I got this car painted, I forgot to get this little trim piece painted. So I screwed up from the start. So I was already planning on getting this piece changed out. So it's only going to go around this piece right here. So you just want to make sure, especially these edges, get cleaned. That's where the tape's going to be. All right, we're going to grab the alcohol pads and give this a good wipe down. All right, so what I like to do to begin with is take these off right here, and then just get alcohol pads later to actually wipe the little glue off. So what some people do is they fold both of these back like this on each side, but I personally don't like doing it like this. I take off this big strip right away, makes it a little bit easier, and then I do peel these up like so, just a little bit. You don't want too much. I apologize for all the background noise. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and go to the car now. So what you guys want to do right here is use the top piece. So you want to go ahead and line it up as much as you guys can. So you want to go ahead and kind of place it on top. Now you want to go ahead and use these. You don't want to show too much of the actual body color of the car. You want to do this on both sides and you want to even them out. So like that, and you want to do that on both sides. As even as you guys possibly can do that. Try to even out both sides. Go ahead and swoop it down and then push down at the bottom part and it should clip right in. Firmly press it all the way down around these corners where the tape has been removed. Now, to remove this tape without it actually ripping behind here, because that would really suck, what you do is you want to push down here slightly, and then you want to lift up. So push down and then lift up, and it makes it much easier. So same thing on this side. Push down right here and then lift up. So everywhere where you're going to do this, just push down slightly, lift up on it. This will make it so you don't rip your tape. This is very thin. Now go ahead and apply even pressure all the way across. All right, so there it is, it's complete. So I'll show you guys the fitment and the gaps so you guys can see how it got placed. So you can't really see any of the actual body color unless you're really looking underneath it. But for the most part, everything looks really good. It's not the most perfect job ever, but you know, it's better than what was on originally. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.